motorcycles here right now. They're answering questions, and at 1 o'clock, they'll be over in the main display doing signatures, talking a little bit more, folks. It's something you do on this. 10:30 here, about 20 minutes, and 1 o'clock here tonight as well.
Harley-Davidson factory race team here at Daytona for the King of the Baggers. Round of the Daytona Speedway. Got their factory bikes all ready to rumble. We're here signing autographs and shaking hands. Harley's working for Ford and came out with a limited edition Harley-Davidson edition here. It's 37s, custom rims with the Harley-Davidson logo on the back here. It's a beautiful truck, really nice. I guess it's available in gray too if you like gray. I'd have to go with the black. This is beautiful.
Take it back.
Beautiful interior. Wow, that's an idea. Look at that. How many of these have they made?
So these are started over for the new year. They're 2025s.
Oh, 25s, okay.
Yep.
Are they limited production or a certain amount of them?
They usually only make a certain amount a year. I think it's around 250.
And they got it in gray too.
And white.
In white too. Oh wow, that'd be striking. I think I'd have to go with black and orange, Harley colors. Really nice. Harley really rolls out the red carpet here. They've got free drinks, free rides on the motorcycle. You can ride the trikes.
Be sure to download that so you can stay up to date on group rides, events, and other things.
Ride any of the new Harleys. This is the thing that really blew my mind. Back in 1990, the first time I was here, I didn't know you could do this. I came here with no bike. I flew down for the weekend, and I've been coming every year since.
Also at 1 o'clock,
it's awesome.
In-person reveal.
You get to ride any of these new bikes. All you got to do is give them your license and sign a waiver, man. They're fully insured. They run a manufacturer's plate. It's one of my favorite Harleys. I bought one of these 3 years ago, the Lowrider ST. Really like it a lot. This is a beautiful bike. It handles like a dream. Compared to the Bagger, it's like riding a dirt bike. These Pan Americas are pretty awesome. They got a new CVO edition. We got a Pan America camper, looks like too. This is the CVO Pan America, a really sharp bike. It's got the orange frame with a camouflage paint. 150 horsepower too. They're starting a race series for these out in Sturgis. They're doing a 3-round race series there, and then one more round. They're doing a national championship. If you come inside here, you'll see they got all kinds of accessories and anything you want really has to do with Harley. You can check out here the bikes, the seats, accessories. Look at that thing. Just beautiful. King of the Baggers is the 6th, 7th, 8th. We'll be here for sure. Filming that behind the scenes. You can buy all the stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. I did a stage 4 on my 131 cubic inch Road King, and then had Southern Speed tuning. It's got 164 horsepower. It's pretty retarded for a Harley. 144 at the rear wheel. This way to sign up. This whole field of bikes out there. You can ride any one of these. All you gotta do is give them your license. It's awesome. You could ride Harleys all day long here for free if you're inclined to. The other thing they do over here is they have a custom fit shop where you can try out any saddle, any windshield, all kinds of different accessories to make the bike fit for you. They actually have, like, I don't know, 6 or 9 different saddle sizes on the wall here, and you can put them on the Bagger and see which one you like. I did that a couple years ago, and I bought the tall boy saddle because I'm 6'2". Tall boy saddle gives you like 3 inches more leg room, which makes a huge difference. They've got different bars, windshields. The Screaming Eagle catalog is loaded with cool stuff. You can customize. Nobody keeps their Harley stock, hardly ever. You find a 23-year-old, a 20 or 30-year-old Harley-Davidson or a 40-year-old that stock. It's like, I don't know, it's like unobtainium. They just don't exist. That's why the Ironhead Sportsters and old Evos, if they're 100% stock, shovel heads, they're worth a lot of money because there's so few of them. no supply, and there's always a demand for mint original bikes. So I always try to keep all original pieces when I customize a bike. There's a CVO ST in gray. I like it in black. I think a proper Harley should be black for sure. There's one done up with that's special edition Olins on the front. Really nice. I don't know if those are available right from the catalog now or how that works, but they sure do look good. Olin shocks and forks. How you guys doing? 1 p.m. today.
1 p.m. You don't want to miss that as well. So be sure to stick around for
1 p.m. They're doing the reveal of the 131. A lot of people already know because they did a dealer call on it last night, but it's a 131 cubic inch CVO ST replica of the factory racer, and it's got a lot of the components. It has the 130R engine. It's got the Olin shocks, the Olin forks. It's got a custom swing arm. It's about 50 pounds lighter than my CVO, and definitely a hot setup. They're $110,000 each. That's the bad news. So I don't know how many of them they're going to sell, but it's definitely a cool piece. Look at this. That's a pretty cool piece. Classic rat bike. Beautiful. I'm gonna hop on my CVO bagger and be happy with it. I love this thing. This one's got the 121 in it. It's a lot of fun. I got the Olins on it already, and she handles like a dream. Thanks for watching. God bless Harley-Davidson. Long live Harley, and God bless America.